Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Students, today we are going to look at the Pakistan Studies paper, that is paper 2, specifically geography, the environment of Pakistan. Okay, and the code is 2059, paper 2. This is the June 2019 paper. The timing is 1 hour 30 minutes. Okay, we are looking at the first question, and which says that study figure 1.1 and outline map of Pakistan. So you can see that this is Pakistan's map, and there's a key given over here which shows the international boundary with different symbols over here which you can use, and you can see over here the map is given. The question is basically we can see that there are two spots location which are represented by Y and Z. So you see the overall look of the map. So the question is asking, label on the figure 1.1 on the map the province level areas in the correct locations using the letters from the list below. And here are the letters, and the province level area is also given. So we just have to write down correctly that what these letters, where these letters will be coming. Okay. In this regard, we have to first of all write the name, the cities Y and Z. So first we mentioned these two cities. If you can see that Arabian Sea from Karachi, if you're moving towards the interior Sindh, and then you move upper Sindh, this particular place, this city, will be Hyderabad. So Z is going to represent Hyderabad. We are moving into Punjab now, and this is south of Punjab. If you can see that this part over here, the city will be a big city, which is Multan. Now, in the first part, remember this table I've shown you, where the letters are given, the province level area you have to label on the map. So the order which we are going to follow, starting from Balochistan, that will be your A, then Sindh, which will be represented by F, Punjab, then it will be Punjab E, then B again Sindh, D KPK, and last one will be C, that will be the northern areas, Gilgit Baltistan. Now the second part B, part 1, describe the characteristics of a floodplain. And floodplain is basically flat in nature. It's wide, it's a bit of a marshy area, and it's fertile. It has a very rich fertile soil, so it's good for farming as well. So it has a gentle slope also. These are the characteristics of a flood plain. Then part 2 is state two ways that land on a flood plain is used. So it can be used for farming, growing crops, and it can also be used for fish farming. So fish breeding can be there, and you can also write that it can be used for irrigation purposes, and but it is quite good for growing crops and fish breeding. Now we are going to look at C, part 1. It's quite a beautiful question which they have made. Complete the passage below about the monsoon rainfall in Pakistan. Choose the correct words from the list and place them in the spaces provided. So it's given over here, monsoon dash blow towards the heart of the dash in the dash, and they blow towards the sea in what? So we can write over here, the monsoon winds blow towards the heart of the continent in summer, and they blow towards the sea in winter. So all these words I've taken selected from here. Okay. Now, very interesting question. This one. This is question number 4. The study figures 4.2, 4.3, 4.4, 4.5, and 4.6. It is just given in the insert. Photographs of some natural and cultural attractions of Pakistan, and use the photographs and your own knowledge to suggest how each is a tourist attraction. So there are diagrams given which I'll show you. But what do we have to do? Use the photographs and use your knowledge to suggest how each is a tourist attraction. So this is our first source picture image, figure 4.2 for question number 4. So we have to tell that how it is a tourist attraction, and uh, one of the most attractive tourist attractions, I would say, in Pakistan. And these are the beaches which are there in Karachi and also in Gawada. And these are considered to be, uh, you know, the beaches where you can go and have a sunbath. You can have great holidays on these beaches, and it is said that a great sea breeze you can feel out there also. So that's why it is a great tourist attraction. This is our next source, figure 4.3 for question number 4. Again, superb beauty, and these are the chair lifts in Murray, and basically they are really great adventure activity basically. So you can do shopping, you can have you can understand the local culture, meet with the local people over there, and a very fresh environment you can enjoy. That's why it's a tourist attraction. Other questions which I wanted to show you, that there are questions, for example this one, which is showing the percentage share of natural gas used by selected sectors in Pakistan. So you should have good knowledge of the bar charts, multiple bar charts, and how to calculate the exact values on these grids. That I will be explaining in the next video. Inshallah. Here you go. Again, a pie chart is there that shows the percentage share of people employed in each economic sector in Pakistan. So we should be able to understand what is the angle of sector, how do we obtain it, how to calculate specific shares in quantity. So mathematics is involved. So whether it is geography or economics or business, there will be some mathematics involved. So that's why I think that when I teach several subjects just because of the fact that they are in a way linked together, and when you know give knowledge and information to others, basically you are improving your own wisdom basically, and the students will be successful if you are given knowledge. They are going to use that knowledge and information, and they get wisdom and become wise in their decision making. And of course, once you get something, some education, you have to give this knowledge, and whatever your skills are, you are having those skills, uh, try to divide them, try to teach others as well. Thank you.